Hello everyone, welcome to Beauty Attraction. Today I am going to tell you how to use carrots for face packs. Carrot is not only tasty and healthy but beneficial for your skin too. The antioxidants in carrot slow down skin's aging process and help maintain moisture in it. It also helps to speed up the renewal process of skin cells. Carrot can be used to treat acne. It also helps to heal wounds and pimples. The vegetable is a good antiseptic that strengthens the immune system and prevents infections. Carrots are also rich in beta-carotene. They are a natural source of vitamin A, which has numerous benefits for our skin. Pack number 1. Carrot face mask with yogurt, turmeric and gram flour is helpful for exfoliating skin. This mask will gently do the trick and reveal a younger, smoother skin. This pack can be made by mixing 1 carrot paste with 1 teaspoon of yogurt and 1 teaspoon of gram flour and 3 pinches of turmeric powder. Apply it liberally on the face and wash off the mask after 20 minutes. Pack number 2. Peel-off masks are great because they lift off dirt, oil and dead skin from your face. Make a carrot peel-off mask by combining 1 teaspoon of gelatin, half cup of carrot juice and half teaspoon of lemon juice in a microwave bowl and heat it until the gelatin dissolves. Stir and keep the mixture in the fridge for 30 minutes or until it becomes thick and firm. Apply the mask evenly on your face and let it rest until it is dried. Peel off carefully and then wash your face with cold water to tighten pores. Pack number 3. Try a carrot and oats mask for glowing skin. Peel, steam and make a paste of 1 carrot, then add 1 tablespoon of oats and 1 tablespoon of honey to thicken the paste. Leave the mask on for about 10 to 15 minutes, then wash off with lukewarm water. Thank you for watching Beauty Attraction. Do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more updates.